Today I'm going to do something a little different. I have made a spread that sort of mimics the style of another YouTuber. Stay tuned and you can decide for yourself if I've done a good job or not. Hi, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate and welcome. I'm so excited for this video because it's something completely different and I like to do things that are a bit different to challenge myself. If you're new here, most of the time I do videos to keep you organized with your planner, but also to make your planner pretty so that it makes you smile every time you open it. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then make sure you hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of fun here. For this video, what I want to do is to take someone from YouTube that I really enjoy their style and mimic it and sort of put my own twist on it and take what they do on a regular basis and add that to my planner. I chose Cindy from Llama Letters mostly because I love her style. It's colorful, there's lots of doodles and lettering, but also because I knew I had similar supplies on hand and I wouldn't have to make a trip to the store. So one of my favorite things that she does is the washi strips. It's so fun to sort of put it on a span of days or even weeks to represent either an event or a vacation or maybe the location of a child if they're at camp or something. It's super smart. And I've done that in the past, but I kind of let it go by the wayside. And so I picked it up again and I really enjoy it. I think I want to do it on a more regular basis now. So I'm in my Erin Condren hardcover planner, and I'm doing the August monthly spread, and August is orange, so I thought a nice turquoise would go with it. Orange and turquoise are my two favorite colors, so I thought that was perfect, and they go really well together. If you've been to my website, or if you look at my logo, it's orange and turquoise. Yeah. And I'm also taking a few little icon stickers from the Carpe Diem sticker tablets. They're really fun. They've got lots of versatile stickers that really help. So next I'm just writing in birthdays and important dates because, yeah, I have a really large family with lots of people who have birthdays, and August is no exception, so I'm writing them in. We also have a wedding this weekend, so I'm writing that in as well, and there's lots of camps. The two turquoise washies spanning the weeks there, those are the two camps, and it shows when my children will be away. There's not a lot of stuff going on in August, but we do have two camps and a wedding and birthday, so it's going to be a fun month. It's actually sort of relaxing. There's not a lot going on, so I won't feel flustered, but at the same time, it'll give me room to decorate on my planner. Now here's a peek at the original. I took a page from back in May, and I chose this one because it's very colorful. There's usually two main colors, and she chooses colors that are bright and happy and really fun, so I really like that. And there's lots of lettering. You can see her sleep in there and the washi. So that's an idea for you. If you've never seen any of Cindy's videos, this will give you an idea of where I'm coming from and what I'm doing. Now it's time to add a little Kara to this spread because I just can't leave well enough alone. I have to have my layers. What better way to add layers than in a little bunting across the top, which is something I do on almost every page because I love it and it's really fun. Yeah, and it's my happy place. So I'm adding in this little, just not very big, but just enough to say, yeah, this is my page. This is not someone else's. Sure, it's inspired by someone else, but I want to give it my own signature style as well. My key to successful layers is to mix up size, shape, and color or contrast. So I've got the long banner, the short banner, and then the tiny little sticker sort of sprinkled around just to finish it off and make it look a little more polished, a little more me. Of course, I'm going to put another one on the other page because why have one little bunting when you can have two? I'm adding a few more stickers. There's some birthday hats for all those birthday people in August. This sticker tablet from Carpe Diem it's really fun. It's perfect for this kind of spread. Like there's a wedding day. It's got lots of little stickers like that you can add to your pages that give a little extra fun to the page. Now I'm going to attack the hand lettering. I did do it in pencil first and now I'm going over it with marker. I'm not bad at lettering, but I'm not fantastic. So I do need to go slow and I do need to practice. So I think I did. So I did do a bit of practice on a piece of paper before. I didn't go into the doodling, however, because I was a little nervous of messing up my page. I like to doodle, but what I'll do is I will actually practice, and I didn't really have the time to do that this time. If you like this video, make sure you check out Cindy's channel because she's got some great videos. Let me know in the comments below how you think I did. Was I able to be inspired by someone else all the while keeping true to my own style? I think I did, but let me know what you think. Also, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell too so you won't miss any of the new videos that are coming out really soon. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.